Hi and welcome to another episode of Build, Restore, Repair. For this episode, we'll tell you how to set up a heavy bag. I bought this bag online for the very cheap price of around $20 and included in the package, which was to my surprise, were a pair of very cheap boxing gloves, a mouth guard, quick hand wraps, and a hook and a chain to support the heavy bag. And as you can expect from a $20 product, the boxing gloves are of very low quality, very soft, and with very thin synthetic leather. But who am I to complain? After all, these are just freebies. Now let's take a look at the heavy bag. It's made out of canvas and synthetic leather, probably the same synthetic leather that the boxing gloves are made of. I hope this thing can take the beating that it is made for. On the inside, it's lined with a different colored canvas. And again, a $20 product will only give you $20 worth of quality stitching. I really hope this lasts for a few months or even a year. Well, I guess that's for me to find out. But for now, it's time to fill up the bag. I've decided to just use old clothes, old towels, and old blankets to fill it up to the top. Some people online suggest to put sand on Ziploc and then to put it in the boxing bag, but I've been told that sand can be pretty heavy and might cause damage to the boxing bag. And since this one is very cheap and very small, I've decided to forego the sandbag method. And if you're gonna go my route and just use old clothes and towels, just make sure to pack them real tight inside the bag. So there you have it, filled up to the top with clothes, towels, and blankets. Now let's hang it and give it a test run. Just the perfect weight, not too heavy but very firm. It's a good thing that my pull-up bar has a bracket specifically intended for a punching bag. Now let's give it a go. Mike Tyson mode on. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just a beginner, so please don't mind my skills and technique. I still don't know what I'm doing. Alright, with just a few punches, the skin on my knuckles almost bled. So let me try it on with the cheap hand wraps and boxing gloves. Alright, not bad at all. I think I'm gonna get a lot of good workouts with this heavy bag. What do you guys think? Will it last or will it break down in a couple of months? Comment on the comment box below. Anyway, if you like this video, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. And see you on the next Build, Restore, Repair episode.